Hello everybody, I'm Hirom. In this time I'm going to explain you how to install Visual Studio Professional 2010. And before we install, you must know that what is this application support. This application is support with Windows XP, Windows 11 and Visual Vista. And the first time when we select on install, we will be show this dialog like this, and we must click on install Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, and then it will get a banner page as things start up like this, and then we just to click on it, and after that we got a license page as well as an overview of what is going to be installed and the key command. And setup will install the following command like VC 9.0 runtime, VC 10 runtime, Microsoft.NET Framework 4 Beta 1, Microsoft Have 3 Beta 1, Microsoft Visual Studio Macro Tools, and Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Professional Beta 1. And then we just click on here. I have read and accept the license term, and we input the license key here, and then we click on it, and then for this page we just to click on the volume C design and here, and click install button. And for this page also it will be show about the command will be installed in the Visual Studio 2010 Professional, like VC 9 runtime, VC 10 runtime, Microsoft .NET Framework 4 Beta 1, Microsoft Have 3 Beta 1, Microsoft Visual Studio Macro Tools, Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Professional Beta 1, Microsoft Web Deployment Tool, and other a lot of all these components. And then so the next page, and for this page also we must to select on this start button now, and then after we restart we will be get this page and install under command until all complete. And for this page also you will get a warning dialog box like, and for this dialog box, this is indicating that SQL Server 2008 has compatibility issue and Windows 11, and suggesting that you install page 1. And for this page also we just to click on the run program, and then it will be processed with install. A little bit later got a compatibility warning dialog also mentioning SQL Server 2010, and external DOS window was also found running a setup.exe command. And final everything finished up with we are done. We just to click finish, and after install command we get a main auto run window again with the link of checking for service release 1, and everything is okay. We just to click on the exit button for exit this program. And for this page also, if we click the check for service release link, we will be redirected to the update page, which is run allow bring up the window update template, and everything is okay. And for next I will be show you in the Visual Studio 2010, and this application for the make new project we can click new project, or we just click on file new project, or we can use the shortcut key like Ctrl+C+N. For this time I show you how to make new project on Visual C++. For the recent template like this, we just to click on Visual C++, and then we click on Win32 console application, and after that we input folder name like introduce project, and for the location we can browse to store the folder anywhere we want, and then we click on OK button. And for the welcome to the Win32 application wizard, just to click next, and for the application type it will be select auto on ratio console application, and additional option we click on M3 project, and then we click finish. For this page also, in the solution exploration, for we want to make new program, we must to add new item first. For first we click on sofa, move on the add, and click on new item, or we can use second key like Ctrl+Shift+A. Yes, and for this page also we click on C++ file, and then we get the name of file like intro, that is, and then we click add. We should remember that for M3 project, when we made will be so like this, and for the complement header file I will be show you next. And for the write program, before first we must to include the library first, and int_main2, and then for C++ we must to call std and use count for print string, so like welcome to C++. And then for the we want to show the result, we click on this button, or we use the shortcut key F5. Yes, this is the result from our code. Welcome to C++. And if have any problem with error code like this, we can know the all error code in the output and error list. But for first we must to, for a program like this, we can compile it by we click on debug, click on build and compile by click on compile, or we use the shortcut key control 7 F7, and then for the error code will be show all the error code in our code like this, and we can see all the mistake in here for why our code have problem. And before we run our code, we should compile it first, like this code also we compile it. When we compile it, it will be so build 1 success, 0 fail, 0 up to date, and 0 skip. It means that our code will be okay, so we can run it safe. Yes, it's like this. Welcome to C++. And next I will be show you how to make this new project by select on the header file complement. First just intro like this, and then click OK. And for the wizard page we click next and recompile header, yes. And for application type, it detects on the console application automatic, and this will okay. Also we click on finish. For the pre-compiled header and empty project, it's different, because for the pre-compiled header it have any header like std.h and target word.h like this. For the write any code, it will be same. That okay, no problem with it. Like me show you, might include library iostring, then we call std and count for print anything. Welcome to use pre-compile header. Our code in here, it's same with the M3 project. And for how to explain about header file and library and std count and system post and return 0, I will be explain you next session. And now I will be show you the result that wrote. Welcome to use pre-compile header. Okay, and now how to explain to install Visual Studio 2010 Professional and how to make new project and how to use some tool in this visual was finished. And thank you for you and spend your time to watching my clip. I will be see you later. Bye.